Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to load a YouTube video in WordPress without it affecting your PageSpeed score. I just set up my website, scottsweb.dev, yesterday. I've got a few articles on it with YouTube videos, and I had to address this. So I thought I would show you how I did it. Every article that I have has a YouTube video associated with it. I removed it from this article so I could show you guys the effect it has on page speed. So this page right now, without a YouTube video, I ran a page speed report, and I actually have 100 on mobile and 100 on desktop. So it's perfect, and this is a great example of showing you how YouTube videos can affect your page speed score. So what I'll do is I'll go to the back end of my post, and I will paste in the video here. I just pasted the YouTube link. I'll do that again so you can see. Delete this block. Like if I paste it up here, you can see this is just a standard YouTube link to a video. And when you paste that in the Gutenberg editor, it turns it into a watchable YouTube video. So I'll hit save here. And I actually have caching enabled on my site, so let me purge the cache. And we go back here, and the YouTube video is here when I view my page, which is great. It looks great, works great. Let's check the page speed score. Sorry, I can't talk. And see how much effect that had on our scores. Wow. Just by loading one YouTube video, it dropped mobile from 100 to 38, and it dropped desktop from 100 to 68. So one YouTube video has a huge impact on your performance. Now, usually, if your YouTube video is below the fold, you can use intersection observer and JavaScript to just load it when it gets in the viewport. However, you'll see that my YouTube video is like halfway above the fold. I could still do it with intersection observer, but I feel like this method is a better way for when your YouTube video is above the fold or halfway in the fold. And it will also work if your YouTube video is at the bottom of the page. Like it will still work too. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a shortcode to load YouTube videos. It'll take the video URL and it will generate some HTML. And then JavaScript will act on that HTML to load the video only when a user interacts with your page, like when they move their mouse or they scroll. That way, anybody who's looking at your page, the videos will appear to load instantly to them. If for some reason they don't scroll or interact, there will be like a little placeholder which you can style however you want to make it look however you want. With that said, let's go ahead and jump right in the code. So I've created this function, and you have to place it in functions.php or somewhere in your scripts where it's going to load in this shortcode code. Our shortcode is going to be called load YouTube. So we're adding the shortcode load YouTube, and it takes an attribute called source, which is your video URL. I'll show you how to use it in a moment. It returns this HTML. Instead of source in the iframe, it's going to be data source. And then the JavaScript will convert it from data source to source. So this function is ready to go. I'll put it in my website and in the description below. You can copy this in functions.php, save it. If you're running it locally, you're good to go. If you are running it on a server, you'll just need to re-upload your functions.php. So now the shortcode part is taken care of. However, we still need to load the JavaScript part. And how you do that is in WordPress, you can edit your JavaScript files directly, like in your JavaScript files or footer.php with this JavaScript snippet. I use code snippets and I place it in the header and footer. So what I'll do here is I'll just add this snippet to my footer code. Not this snippet, sorry, this snippet, script and script. We'll copy this, and you don't need to change anything about this. You can copy it as is. We'll place it here. Okay, we'll hit save changes. So now this code's going to run in our footer. Here it is. So we'll go back to my post here, and I'm going to delete this YouTube video. And instead of just pasting the video URL, we're going to do a shortcode block. And then I'll paste the video URL inside of the shortcode that we just made. So let me copy my video URL. And we'll do load YouTube source equals our video URL. And that's it. Go ahead, hit update. I will purge my cache on the back end. You may or may not have to do that. So now when I load this page, because I moved my mouse, it looks like it loaded instantly. I'll show you if I don't move my mouse. There's like that gray square there, which is the placeholder. You can style how you want, but as soon as I move my mouse or scroll, it's going to load in that video. So functionally, it's the same as before. We'll go back to PageSpeed Insights, and now we have this video on here, but we loaded it using that method. Let's see what our score is now. Nice. So we have a 98 on mobile, 100 on desktop. It really should have been at 100 again, but your page speed can vary from time to time. So it bumped it up from a 38 to a 98. We got 60 points back just by loading that YouTube video in that way that you really can't even tell it was loaded any different. So yeah, I hope this video helps you. If it does, like the video, leave a comment. I'll keep my eyes on the comment. I'll paste the code in the description and on my website so you can copy and paste it. Just let me know if you have any issues. Thanks for watching.